In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where YouTube is offline. So if you're getting the error message that says YouTube is offline and you need to connect to the internet, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is just open up your internet browser, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll right down to the bottom and click on settings. Now, I'm using Google Chrome, but if you have a different internet browser, then you can still follow along as the steps are going to be somewhat similar. So I'm just going to click on privacy and security in the left hand side. Click on delete browsing data, make sure cookies and other site data is selected, make sure the time range is set to all time, and then go and press delete data. You can then try heading over to YouTube and checking if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, we need to head over to the settings application on your computer, click on network and internet in the left hand side, click on VPN, and just make sure that you're not currently connected to any VPNs. If you are connected to a VPN, it will show up here and you'll be able to disconnect from this window. You can then head back over to your internet browser and check if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, another thing you can try is clicking the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, click on new incognito window, and then try heading over to YouTube in an incognito window and you can check if it works from here. Now, another thing you can try doing is using a different internet browser altogether. So if you're currently using Google Chrome, you can try Firefox, or if you're already using Firefox, then you can try it using Google Chrome. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.